Hello, little scientists. Welcome to our new episode. The t-shirt you just saw had colorful designs, and they remind me of the hand dye technique Japanese have been using for hundreds of years. You know, different cultures around the world have learned to put colors on clothing, and they are beautiful.
Yeah.
Remember the color experiment you did in our last episode? When you take out the paper towel and open it up, it's beautifully dyed with colors as well. If you want to dye a t-shirt, I have some links for you for reference. You can take a look at different ideas how people can dye their shirt with different colors. Today I would like to go back to a basic question. Where do we get colors from? Even though now you know about the color wheel and the relationships between primary, secondary, or tertiary colors, we also come back to this question. How can we get these colors? How do people make food coloring? What materials do they use to make these colors? Are they man-made or natural materials? Did you know we can get colors from natural materials, like from animals, plants, or from the ground? It's not so hard to find them, actually. Let's go for a walk. Hey, little scientists! Today we're out in the supermarket to find things that we can make colors. Just look around, boys and girls. Did you notice there are many different colors here? Come on in and check it out. Whoa, look at this. Red! Do you think we can make color by rubbing this color off? Let's find out. Come on in. Whoa! I see many different colors here. Look at all these fruits here. Look at the colors. Aren't they beautiful? Wow. Come take a closer look at these green apples here. I wonder how we get this green color from. Do we get a blue color, a blue apple, and a yellow one, like a golden one? And when they mix, they got a green color?
Huh?
What do you think? Well, I find these bananas very interesting. As you know, when they are raw, they are green. And if they are ripe, they turn yellow. Let's go bananas! Hey, come take a look. Are these food colorings? Definitely not. These are juice. We've got orange juice. We've got apple juice. And we've got, ooh, this is from cucumber and kale. Some veggie. Wow, we've got some really nice color here. Come take a closer look at these fruits here. What do we have here? Well, we've got blackberries. Do you think blackberries are black? Well, we've got blueberries. I think we can get some blueberries home. Maybe that will turn into the blue dye. How about that? Blueberries. All right. What else do we have? Apples? Do you think that would do? Well, the skin is red, but the flesh is not red. But wait a minute. Hey, hold on. This is cold-pressed apple juice, and it's red. Well, it's reddish, sort of. So do you think we can do that with these apples? Unless I have a blender, maybe. Well, what do we have here? I found something. I found the strawberries. Look. Do you think we can turn them into red color? How about that? We can just crush them, squash them, and see if the juice can turn into the red color. Hey, other than strawberries, how about tomatoes? Maybe we can also do that too. I'm trying to find something yellowish though. What can you think of? Any fruits or veggie that is yellow in color? A lemon will do, probably. Maybe we can try that. Or this yellow pepper. Hey, how about watermelon juice? Will it give us green color? Wait a minute, watermelon. The flesh is red. Hey, look at all these Jews here. I found red, yellow, orange, green. Well, it's hard to find blue, isn't it? But I wonder, hey, if I mix these two juices together, will I get, what color do you think? A red mixing with yellow? Do you think I would make some juice that is in orange color? Hey, as I look into this juice section here, I find lots of different colors here. Well, I got blueberry juice. That's our primary color. We also get some cranberry juice here. That's red. Oh, take a look at over there. This side. We got red, yellow. Here are the primary colors. Shall we get them all? Yeah. We're back from shopping. We're ready to do our first round of test. I've got lots of juice here. I've got tomato juice, mango juice, and blueberry juice. They represent red, yellow, and blue, the primary colors. That's right. Now these juice, they are 100% natural. That means there's no additive or artificial color. So I saw that on the label. It says 100% natural. So let's see if these juice, when we mix them together, do they behave like the color theory we learned from the food coloring? So that means if I add this blueberry juice and this mango juice together, what color do I expect to see? Well, do we see green? Let's see. What if we add the mango juice and the tomato juice together? What color do you think it would turn? Do we expect to see orange color? We'll see. And when the blue and the red mixing together, do I expect to see purple? Let's find out. Round 1, we're going to test the tomato juice and the mango juice. Let's see when red and yellow mix together, do we get an orange color? Looks yummy. Red and yellow. Let's see when I mix them, what will happen? Here we go. Did you notice? It has become orange in color. It's not red. Whoa! This is our secondary color. Yay! Round 2. Let us mix mango juice and blueberry juice together. I can smell the mango. What? How come blueberry juice is not blue in color? Oh no! So even though we said blueberry, it should be blue in color. In fact, it's a bit purplish. It's not blue in color. What should we do? So it's not purely blue, not because it's not made of blueberry, but it's mixed with other fruits, as it says here. Made with natural fruit juices, including blueberry and other fruits. Probably we've got some grapes here, or some other fruits. Let's mix both of them into this bowl anyway to see if there is any change in color. Ready? Whoa, it becomes orangey because it was a bit reddish earlier, right? Look at that. The color changes. It behaves like the color theory. What shall we do with the juice after we finish the experiment? Surely we're not going to throw that away. Hey, you know, we can add some soda water to make it a fruit punch. It's party time! So what did we learn from our first 2 rounds of experiment? When we mix the 2 primary colors, they make a secondary color. They behave just like the way we did for our food coloring. Wow! Hey, we can get colors from natural materials. Let's bring our experiment to the next level. I've got some fruits here. Blueberries, strawberries. Let us squash them to make some primary colors. Well, I've got some blueberries with me. Shall we squash them to see if we can get some blue color? So let's see if I just squash them, testing on this piece of tissue and see what color would I make. Ready? Squash! Yeah! Does it look blue to you? It doesn't give a blue color at all. Blueberries only give a purplish color. Oh no! Wow! As you can see, blueberries don't give a blue color. Rather, it's like a purplish color. I thought we can get blue from blueberries. I say it's okay, even we couldn't get a blue, it's a good try, as we try to test and find out the color from different materials. How about a strawberry? Can we get red color from strawberries? Let me squash it with this fork. Well, make it small pieces first. And then let's see if I can squash and get some color. Oh, did you notice the juice of the strawberry? It's reddish.
It's yummy.
Oh, yes. We do.
It's yummy.
Let's see if I can get some red coloring from this strawberry. Wow, beautiful. It's so sweet as well. Hey, we can get red from strawberries. It smells so sweet as well. Well, actually, I don't see that many people use strawberries as a dye. Do you know why? Well, I wonder. Well, this packet of strawberries actually costs 60 Hong Kong dollars. That's quite a lot of money if we want to spend on dyes. It's better to put in our stomach, I guess. Well, others would use red cabbage to make red color. Let's try. This only cost $20. That's a big difference. $20, $60. How can we get the color out from this cabbage? Shall we rub it to see if we can get the juice out of it? Or squash it? Let's see. Test number 1. Let's see if we can rub the color. Whoa. We can. Look at that. By rubbing, you can actually get color off this. Interesting. I did some research and I noticed we can also boil it to get the color off. Let's try. So if we cannot extract the juice from the red cabbage easily, we're going to boil it. I'm going to cut it into strips and boil it to get some juice out of it. Let's go. Whoa, look at this. I'm boiling this red cabbage, simmering. I can already see some color here. Take a look. Purple. Ooh, interesting. The whole bowl of water has now turned purple. You might say, Mr. Chang, this juice from red cabbage is not red at all. This is purple. That's right. Well, but you know what? We can add 2 things to turn its color. I can add baking soda or I can add vinegar. Both will turn to different results. Let's see. First, we're going to test what happens if we add baking soda. That's how it looks. It's powdery. Let's see what will happen if we add it into this purple color. Did you notice? Whoa, look at that. Wow! It's turning to greenish blue. Whoa. All right, we're gonna try vinegar next. Let's see what would happen. Let's pour some vinegar onto the spoon. Ready? Here we go. What color would it turn to? Let's see. Wow, look at that. Did you notice? It's turning to red. Let's see if we can turn it even more. Whoa, we got some red here. So, if we dip this piece of fabric, let's say paper towel, into this solution, do you think we can make a dye? Whoa, it's a color dye. All right, let's try to soak it in. Try to dye this piece of fabric, which is our paper towel. Let's rinse it off. Keep rinsing. This is like a bath, a dye bath, and then rinsing it. I've dyed my fabric. I've dyed my fabric. Isn't it beautiful? Other than red cabbage, you can also get colors from turmeric. Take a look. This looks like ginger. It is actually a spice that people use in foods like curry to give a strong flavor. This can give a yellow color. If you break it, take a look. You can make yellow out from this turmeric. So little scientists, we learned that we can get colors from fruits, from flowers, and from vegetables today. Colors are everywhere. Stay curious and learn more about colors. Until next time, see you later. Now this is my blueberry here. Hi! Ah. So sweet.